Okay, so this is a quick video to show you how to remove the plug disc on a Hughes vessel. You'll need a utility knife and some type of tool that has a good amount of weight to it that you can tap on the blade with once it's under the plug or at the edge of the plug. So you would basically take your utility blade, nice sharp one, and just put it right there at the edge of the plug disc. So you see you're basically right there at that seam. And then you'll use the tool. And again, this doesn't have to be a screwdriver, just something, plastic, with a little bit of weight to it. And you just tap it underneath of the disc. Go a little ways under and just work your way around. Doing this with kind of one hand here in a way, but like slowly work your way around. You don't want to jam it all the way underneath in one spot, and you may get lucky and it'll just pop off with a couple different spots, but you definitely want to work your way all the way around it. See, so when it gets underneath of there, just a hair, pull it back out. I would also recommend, this is the junk vessel, but you can put tape around the vessel like Scotch tape to protect the finish from being marred. So this one's almost done already. Definitely want to put tape on it to protect the finish though. As you can see, it comes right off. If you get a little bit stuck, it's okay. You can go back over it in the same manner. And the plug is off. Then, as long as the original plug isn't damaged, you can replace it with a new plug disc, which I'll include, and use super glue and a bead around the perimeter of the disc. Place it dead center, give it a little pressure to make sure the glue spreads out, and then allow it to cure for at least 5 hours, and you'll have a solid seal.